Hi sir, good afternoon po. How was your experience sir, here at the Cafe Bar and Restaurant?
Good afternoon. Bali, yung experience namin dito sa Cafe Unknown, okay na ba yung experience namin? Mabilis yung service kasi pagdating namin, nag-order kami, tapos yung pag-order namin, na-serve naman kagad yung food namin.
Okay. Yung sir, napansin ko po, nag-order po kayo ng crispy pork belly and smoked beef brisket. Kamusta naman po sir yung food?
Yeah, masarap yung crispy pork belly. May yung portion ng cut ng pork, yung balat, crispy, which is yun yung okay. Yung beef, masarap yung pagkalambot niya. Yung sauce, paired with the sauce, masarap.
How about sa ambience sir? Kamusta po? Nag-enjoy po ba kayo?
Maganda yung ambience ng Cafe Unknown. Bali, may medyo nature feels, tapos meron siyang parang open mic stand doon. Pwede ka magkwanta.
Yes, sir. By the way sir, thank you po. Sana po makabalik po ulit.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you po.